yes in the chat box. Thank you so much. Yes, I love the anthem too. Let me just rename myself. So welcome to the Supermom Spotlight. And today we have another very special spotlight. But yesterday, if you loved Surbhi's session yesterday, put love, love, love in the chat box. Yeah, I've been asked to speak very softly. So if I start speaking loud, correct me in the chat. Ask me to go low. Yes. But if you're ready for more, put more in the chat box. If you want more. Yes. So today we have Asha, and I will just spotlight her for you and also spotlight myself. Yes. So today we have Asha, and Asha is going to share her story. She's also a super coach, and today she'll let us know what worked for her, how she started. And when Asha came to me, she was already very qualified, like she had certificates and so many things, but she was not able to monetize. And something shifted, and what shifted, and how it shifted, all of that today Asha will be sharing. And the only intention for these calls is for you to take, fill in the blanks in the chat, is for you to take action, so that you don't say that ma'am it's not working, I can't do it, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा, clear नहीं है, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, क्या करना है. So now understand that if some people can, some mothers can do it, so can you. All that is missing is action, right? And the reason I've kept it every day is so that your motivation does not fall. You're not like getting a 1 week gap. Earlier, I was thinking once a week, but then I thought if I get one person and then I give you a 1 week gap, it will again reduce, your motivation will dwindle. So I thought, let me just hammer you every day with one good story, because then you something inside of you will permanently shift. So if you think that's a great idea, put GI. Yes, and we will have a hard stop for these calls at 12:30. We will not go beyond 12:30, right? So Asha will share, then we will do Q&A, and you will be asking your questions directly to Asha. And wherever I feel there is a need, I would just add to it. Awesome. So Asha, I will just make you the co-host. So in case you want to share your screen, you can. And I will also remove myself from Spotlight. So now the stage is all yours. Let me also
Good, good
everybody.
morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning, Asha.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving this opportunity where I'm sitting with all my soul sisters. And today I get this opportunity to share my journey with each one of us. And I'm feeling so grateful and blessed. And first of all, I need your blessings because this is the first time
Yes, you will
in
rock it.
front of my mentor I'm sharing something. And yeah, it's a very big moment for me. कल से ही just taking 1 minute. कल से I'm sharing with my husband कि I'm so happy but little bit anxious because my mentor will be there and all the mothers will be there. But yeah, I'll do my best to help. I'll do my best to share my journey and क्या क्या issues थे, what were the resistances and how I overcome what things that I used in my life for myself. So with your permission, may I have your permission to start?
100%. Go for it. Waiting for it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So let me share my screen. Yeah, so my screen is visible. If yes, then type yes in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. So like मैम जैसे हमेशा शुरू करती हैं, आई वुड लव टू स्टार्ट इन दैट वे ओनली. सो गुड मॉर्निंग डियर mamas. If you can see me and hear me clearly, type yes in the chat box. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for the energy. Thank you for your love in the room. So today I'm going to share my journey, and I named it as a journey of self-discovery. So let me quickly share why this self-discovery, why this title is self-discovery. Because sometimes we lost in our life, we feel कि हम बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, we are doing so many things, and because we feel that we are doing so many things, somewhere we lost that who am I. आप खुद कौन हैं ये हम खुद भूल जाते हैं. And the moment I started my journey, like my journey of self discovery, three years back, so I was completely blank कि what I am going to do with my life. So now, do I have your permission to share a little bit about my story? So do I have your permission? Then type P in the chat box. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this is my way of starting everything to pay my gratitude to my mentor. So in my each and every session, even in my own community, in my all one-on-one sessions, I start my sessions with 1 minute of gratitude. So gratitude to my mentor, gratitude for my parents, gratitude for my ancestors, and gratitude for each and everything जो इस यूनिवर्स में है, because everything is playing its role to help you to grow, help you to evolve. So every time, just carry this attitude of gratitude. It will help you even grow in a much nicer way. So my deepest gratitude to my mentor. Because of Riddhi ma'am, today I am here. I have discovered myself कि मैं कौन हूँ, what is the true purpose of my life, and why I am doing what I am doing. So thank you so very much, ma'am, once again. And now I just want to share a little bit about myself. So my name is Asha Yadav. Born and brought up in a very small village of Rajasthan. Why I am saying small? क्योंकि वहां पे आज भी वो पूरा व्यू आपको दिखता है जो एक किसी भी गांव में आपको दिखेगा. वेरी स्मॉल. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय एजुकेशन देयर वर नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. आई हैव completed my 12th from the government school of my village, from Hindi medium. But I have big dreams in my life since my childhood. I was very much aware कि this is not something that I want in my life. I was just looking and observing the girls around me. They were waking up in the morning. खेतों में जाती थी, घास खोद के लाती थी. I don't know how many of you have seen that life. कभी देखा है, observe भी किया है. And then they go to school. Then after coming back from the school, they do everything like झाड़ू, घास, बर्तन, चारा काटना, भैंसों को डालना, everything. So I came up from that background. But I'm so blessed and I feel very grateful about that. Ki my mom was very supportive. He is still very supportive. अगर मेरी मेंटर के बाद दूसरा कोई है जिसको मैं बोल सकती हूँ तो she is my mom. She allowed me to do what I wanted to do. She gave that whole freedom and opportunity कि पढ़ना है पढ़ो, जो करना है करो, स्पोर्ट्स में जाना है जाओ, whatever you want to do, you do it. I am there with you. Then I was the first from my village जो गांव छोड़ के कोटा गई थी आईआईटी की प्रिपरेशन करने. Not a single boy before than me. I was the first among boys and girls. पर नहीं हो पाया and that's completely okay. And I feel gratitude about it right now. अगर होता तो कहीं इंजीनियरिंग कर रही होती, Then again, confusion what I want to do in my life. Then I did my master's from one of the prestigious university of this country, Jawaharlal Nehru University, in MSc, in physics. बिकॉज वन ऑफ माई टीचर टोल्ड मी अगर लाइफ में कुछ बड़ा करना चाहती हो तो राजस्थान से निकल जाओ बिकॉज देर आर लेस एज कंपेयर टू द अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज राजस्थान में थोड़े कम स्कोप हैं फिजिक्स में. Coming from a Hindi background, I did what I can at that moment, and I qualified all the exams, but finally selected JNU. Then after my masters from physics, I have done my masters in sociology, masters in psychology, certified diploma in counseling, everything, all the teacher training program, you name that program, and I'm done on that. You tell me the exams related to the teachers, and I'm done on that. I was doing because my father wanted me to do that. Until that age, I was doing everything just to please my father. और मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि मैं कौन हूँ और मैं क्या चाहती हूँ. एंड आफ्टर डूइंग ऑल दैट मुझे फिर तब भी कुछ बड़ा करना था. आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड आई स्टार्टेड प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर यूपीएससी, क्योंकि हमारी कंट्री में वो एक ऐसा एग्जाम है जो लगता है कि सबसे बड़ा जिसका नाम है. And just to please my father, I started doing UPSC. But there was a purpose behind that. कि मेरे दोनों पर्पस मीट हो जाएंगे. वन, माई फादर विल फील हैप्पी, एंड सेकेंड, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू हेल्प द वीमेन आउट देयर, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू हेल्प द गर्ल्स आउट देयर. So that was there in my mind since my childhood. So I started preparing UPSC 5 years, but the result was not qualified. And then one day I was in a deep, you can say I was touching the deep bottom of my life, rock bottom of my life, that I don't know कि मुझे करना क्या है इस लाइफ में. And then one mentor came in my life and she helped me to understand. आपकी डेस्टिनेशन तक पहुंचने के लिए सिर्फ आपके पास एक ही रास्ता नहीं होता. There is not a single way to reach your destination. Always there are multiple ways. It just depends on you. Are you a resourceful person or not? Are you able to see those paths or not? Just look around you and you will figure out your own path. And from there, I started my journey of self-discovery. And then after a few months, my journey started with EPH. And that was completely a divine intervention. I was planning for something else, but one day I just saw ma'am on Instagram. I never seen a single video of Riddhi ma'am before that. Suddenly it came in front of me and she was talking about parenting, she was talking about mother, she was talking about kids and about her mission. Happy moms, happy homes. ऐसे लगा कि जिसे इतने सालों से ढूंढ रही थी यही तो है. और मैंने दोबारा सोचा भी नहीं कि what I want to do, I just register. And I entered into the WhatsApp group. And now mothers are asking me कि आप सीधा प्लैटिनम शोकेस में कैसे आए. मुझे नहीं पता. I don't remember कि how I entered directly into the platinum showcase.
Yeah, in
I just
between,
registered.
just for a few months in between, we had started
No,
inviting
ma'am. I
outside
don't know
people.
what exactly, I don't remember what happened. I just, entered my details. I joined one WhatsApp group. एंड उसके बाद मुझे कुछ नहीं याद है. वो 2 दिन निकले, 4 दिन निकले, 1 दिन निकला. आई कंप्लीटली आई डोंट हैव एनी राइट नाउ, आई डोंट हैव एनी क्लू अबाउट दैट. द मोमेंट आई एंटर्ड इनटू दैट व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और जब मैंने उस पर क्लिक किया, वहाँ प्लैटिनम शोकेस हो रहा है इस तारीख को, इस डेट को. आई मेंशनड इट ऑन माय कैलेंडर एंड आई ज्वाइंड. एंड दैट वाज द प्लैटिनम शोकेस. और मुझे नहीं पता था गोल्ड मेंबरशिप भी है, डायमंड भी है, कुछ नहीं. इवन मैंने रिद्धि मैम को उससे पहले देखा भी नहीं था. I just resonated with the mission But again, the same problem. Money was not there. What should I do now? But I already, shared earlier as well कि मैं किसी दूसरे कोर्स के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा कर रही थी और मेरे पास वो पैसा था उस टाइम मेरे अकाउंट में. सो आई पेड दैट 50,000 तुरंत फॉर फास्ट ट्रैक, किसी को बिना बताए. मैंने कहा बाद में जो होगा देखा जाएगा. दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई रियली वांट इन माय लाइफ एंड दिस इज समथिंग माय सोल इज टेलिंग मी कि आशा इसे नहीं छोड़ सकती है. एंड आई जस्ट ज्वाइंड एंड माय ओनली पर्पस वाज टू लर्न मोर, to discover myself, because I was resonating with these words: women, mothers, kids, nation, happy families. So I was resonating with these words. And if you can feel me right now, type feel in the chat box. If you are resonating with these words, then I joined this community and I started learning. And I was already, connecting with mothers. I was doing my best. Ki how can I help other mothers as well? I was doing little bit like ABCD, but without clarity कि मुझे करना क्या है, कैसे करना है, how it will happen, what is the process, what are the steps. So I was doing it but without clarity. Then one day in one session when we were there in the platinum call, मैम ने फर्स्ट टाइम वो बात बोली थी आफ्टर मी ज्वाइनिंग दैट सेशन, that it's not about you. If you really want to do something, it's not about you. And that was her expressions. Like she was, helping us to understand. So shift your focus from you to them. So it's about them. It's not about you. तो उनका ये जो जेस्चर है ना, ये मुझे हमेशा जब भी मुझे लगता था, उसके बाद मुझे जब भी डाउट आता था that should I do this, should I not do this, मेरा हाथ ना मुझे ये याद दिलाता था, it's not about you, it's about them. And the way Riddhi ma'am explains everything with gestures, with hand movements, कल डॉक्टर सुरभि ने भी बताया था, वो ना आपके यहाँ छप जाता है. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू रिमेम्बर एवरीथिंग. आपको अपने दिमाग पे जोर डालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. द वे शी इज टीचिंग इज लाइक, जहाँ एफर्टलेस लर्निंग होती है ना, दिस इज वॉट हियर वी आर लर्निंग. And one other thing, when that sharing, that service, that selling came into picture, then again she shared one beautiful thing, that sharing is a service. And if you are not sharing the knowledge that you have, the wisdom that you are selfish and you are lying. She shared her example when she was there in Siddharth sir class, and and she was there with the Blair. You are telling lie that you want to serve mothers. If you really want to serve mothers, तो आप अपने बारे में नहीं सोचोगे. Right now you are selfish. That's why you are not serving mothers out there. So these lines hit me very hard. So that was a bomb for me, like bulb on moments. And from here, I started my journey as a coach with thoda bahut clarity and with my purpose. But how many of you are feeling कि ये इतना easy हो सकता है क्या? Do you feel it's so easy? Then what happened? Any guesses? Shift, ups and downs. What else? Resistance. Yes. Next thing is हमारे questions, हमारे resistance जो हमारे अंदर से आते हैं. So resistances that I was facing at that point of time. And I want each one of you to type your resistance in the chat box. Ki what is one resistance that you are facing to start your journey, not only as a coach, but as a lifelong learner as well. आपको क्या लगता है कौन सी चीजें आपको रोक रही है वो इंसान बनने में जो आप बनना चाहते हो? व्हाट इज योर रेजिस्टेंस विच इज स्टॉपिंग यू टू बिकमिंग अ पर्सन दैट यू वांट टू बिकम इन योर लाइफ? Time management, money, clarity, self doubt, procrastination, confidence, confuse. Okay, everybody, please keep this in your mind. Okay, what is your resistance? And let me tell you my resistances, and you will get all your answers. My first resistance, not able to connect with new people. I was very introvert. I was not able to connect with the new people. Just say hi, hello, and that's it. नए लोगों से मिलना कैसे है, बात कैसे करना है, खुद को रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करना है, दीज वर द बिगेस्ट रेजिस्टेंसेस. So when I started thinking about becoming a coach, my first question was, am I able to connect with the new people? Second, most of you are writing confident speaking in English, coming from a rural background, done all the education in Hindi medium. इंग्लिश बोलना तो छोड़ो, वैसे ही बोलने का कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था. And English was the major problem. I know how to write, how to read everything. But when it comes to speaking, I was not confident. Forget about the people who are, with your same age. I was not able to connect with the kindergarten students and, the kids. मुझे ऐसा लगता था उनकी इंग्लिश तो मुझसे भी ज्यादा बेटर है. How can I talk with these kids? Social media phobia. How many of you are here who feel कि सोशल मीडिया पे हम नहीं जा सकते, अकाउंट नहीं बना सकते? Fear is something else and phobia is completely different of fear. And I hope you guys know this difference between fear and phobia. So I have that phobia, not the fear. The day I started my journey, उसके बाद I have created my account on social media first time ever in my life. टिल द एज ऑफ 30 मेरा कोई अकाउंट नहीं था कहीं पे भी, सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप. नो फेसबुक, नो यूट्यूब, नो इंस्टाग्राम, नो लिंक्डइन, नो टिकटॉक. कभी खोल के ही नहीं देखा कि व्हाट इज सोशल मीडिया. Not a tech person. If I want to become a coach, then online is the option. But I don't know about anything technology. So how I will pursue this? How many of you are here in this zone that I'm not a tech person? Type me in the chat box. Yes. Then next, if you are not a tech person, you are not able to record your courses, how you will record, कैसे कैमरा रखना है, कैसे रिकॉर्ड करना है, how you have to edit all these things. And who will buy and why they will buy? Who am I? Why people come to me and buy from me? There are so many people out there, more influencer, they are well settled in this field, in this industry, they have their name, their goodwill in the society, in the market. Then why people come to me and buy? In next resistance, should I wait or start now? I'm learning a lot. I have so many things. But still, should I start now? और अभी थोड़ा और सीखना चाहिए. So how many of you are here in this resonating with these resistances? Should I wait or start now? Yes, me? Okay, great. What do you feel? Resistances हो गए या अभी भी बाकी है? Is this done? still there. Yes, resistances are still there. So today I'll help you to overcome all your resistances. So if you love this, type love in the chat box. Biggest, what people will say. और मेरे लिए तो सबसे बड़ा था what my father will say. Because every time since my childhood, I was looking at my father. He was, a person जिनको मैं हमेशा आइडलाइज करती थी. ही इज वन ऑफ द पर्सन जिनको मैं बहुत एडमायर करती हूँ, जिनको मैं बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. एंड आई नो व्हाट ही वांट्स फ्रॉम अस. सो माय फर्स्ट फियर वाज व्हाट माय फादर विल से, व्हाट पीपल विल से, व्हाट माय फैमिली विल से. और उससे भी बड़ा फैक्टर, डोंट नो हाउ टू सेल. कोर्स भी रिकॉर्ड कर लिया. आई हैव माय कोर्सेज, आई हैव एवरीथिंग. इफ आई फॉरगेट अबाउट व्हाट people will say, and if people are there in my community, then how I will have how to sell. At that point of time I was not able to say कि I am doing this. तो सेल करना तो बहुत बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है. And now again, when you start something, you have to invest. You have to invest your time, your energy, your money to build the platform, to record your videos, to invest, even a small amount of money. At that point of time, there was no money, because I have already paid for uh, my parenting courses, and I was arranging money for the other courses as well. Then I need more money to invest more to start, छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए भी. पर नहीं था. Not 100 rupee in my bank account. And then how I will manage everything. And my thought was, I am not able to manage my home, then how I manage everything. मुझे पढ़ना भी है. I have to learn so many things because I am in multiple with multiple mentors. Now I want to start my own coaching. I have to take care of my home and everything. Then how I will manage. And these all are the resistances which were there in my head. उसमें बहुत सारे और भी होंगे, but these were the major. How many of you can feel कि ये आपके साथ भी हैं, that you are also going through these? Yeah. Yes. Absolutely. Everything inside your energy. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for sharing. Now what to do? करना भी है. And there are so many doubts and questions around me. So what I did, if you want to know, then type no in the chat box. Yeah, super, amazing, amazing. So how I overcame with all these challenges? Simply by following my mentor's step. Simply by following Riddhi ma'am. And this is what I request to each one of you. That just follow what ma'am is saying. What I did initially, I attended all live calls. I was watching my courses in the app, but I attended each and every live calls initially. Even right now, I attend most of the live calls, but sometimes here and there. But at that point of time, I was very committed. No matter what, I have to attend all the live calls, because the energy in the live calls is totally, totally different. You can't get it from the recorded calls. And then I started working on my energy. So why I am saying I started working on my energy, because जितने भी questions हैं ना, जितने भी doubts हैं, all the questions or the doubts are inside you, not outside. We generally feel that people around us, they are stopping us to grow. but we generally forget कि my own energy is not allowing me to grow. So I started working on my own energy. I started watching courses. जितने भी courses हैं हमारे पास related to self connection, energy, how to level up your energy, 21 ways of level up of your energy, your wealth, your energy, your money, your career, your relationship. So I started watching all these courses again and again and again. Mindful room challenges. And from there, I started getting my answers. And I observed Riddhi ma'am very, very closely in the live calls. बिकॉज वो अपनी लाइफ के बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल शेयर करती हैं, अपना पूरा रूटीन शेयर करती हैं. एंड व्हाट आई लव अबाउट रिद्धि मैम इज द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन स्पीड. इफ you guys ask me from this whole class, I'll just say one thing. इस एक चीज को ले जाना बस. इम्प्लीमेंट विथ स्पीड. जैसे ही उनके दिमाग में कुछ भी आता है ना, इवन कॉल में भी बात करते करते भी उनके दिमाग में कुछ भी आता है ना, तुरंत सुपर कोचेस प्लीज नोट दिस, वी आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट नो मैटर व्हाट द रिजल्ट विल बी. उसके बारे में बाद में सोचेंगे. समथिंग इज कमिंग इन माई हेड, मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. एंड दैट वॉज मिसिंग इन मी कंप्लीटली, बिकॉज आई वॉज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि करना है कि नहीं करना है, परफेक्ट है कि नहीं है, कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे. आई वॉज इन दैट जोन. आई नो आई कैन डू इट, बट वेन that perfectionist that I want to do this with full perfection was there, then slowly, I'm not saying everything changed over a night, no, it took me a whole 1 year. So I started observing her, how she's implementing, how she's thinking, how she's just forgetting about the result and just taking action every time. And I pushed myself for doing all these things. Then where I was very clear about my priorities. Priorities means what I want to do and why I want to do. When you have a clarity about your priorities, आपको चीजें distract नहीं करती. It may take a longer time as compared to others, but आप track पे रहोगे. So I was very clear about my priorities. And resourceful mindset, ये बहुत जरूरी है. Let me share about these 2 points. I was very clear about my priorities. So I'm making this very clear at the, initially. I'm not sharing this to gain your empathy or sympathy. Okay, I'm just sharing so that you can understand the difference between your needs, your wants, your priorities, and the things that really doesn't matter in your life. So right now we are living in a rental house. And let me tell you, अगर आप मेरे घर पे आओगे, we don't have bed. We have mattress, फ्लोर पे डाल के सोते हैं. We don't have sofa. 4 चेयर हैं, ड्राइंग रूम में रखी हैं. आप आओगे, आपको चेयर पे बैठना पड़ेगा. हमारे पास सिर्फ 3 टेबल चेयर हैं. लाइक 1 टेबल चेयर फॉर मी, 1 टेबल चेयर फॉर माई हस्बैंड एंड 1 टेबल चेयर फॉर माई सन, for our work purpose, and that we have decided. Because if you know कि आपकी ये प्रायोरिटीज हैं बट आपके पास ये रिसोर्स लिमिटेड है, then you have to invest your resource very mindfully. So I have that option. Either I can invest in furniture and to complete whole system of my house, or I can invest in my learning. So I prioritize my learning. I told this thing to my husband, I can wait for next 2 to 3 years. अगर उतना भी लगा तो. But I want investment on my own self, on my learnings. And resourceful mindset. इससे भी बड़ी चीज. At that point of time मेरे पास लैपटॉप नहीं था. Only there was a one laptop. My husband was using for his office purpose. और एक जो पुराना लैपटॉप था, the laptop was not supporting Zoom and sharing on the Zoom. My sister, she is a fashion designer. I borrowed her laptop for 6 months. And this is I'm sharing first time किसी के भी साथ. मैंने अभी तक ये किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं किया कभी भी. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू सो दैट योर माइंडसेट, you know, ma'am always share your mindset and your skill set. These are two different things but works together, and your mindset is much powerful than your skill set. So I borrowed laptop for 6 months from my sister. I started my sessions from her laptop, use that laptop for 6 7 months. I have two options at that point of time कि जब लैपटॉप आएगा तभी शुरू करूंगी, और I can ask for the help. So be in that mindset कि आपको यहाँ नहीं मिल रहा है तो कहाँ मिल सकता है. Where you can find your resource, where you can find that option. So always be there with this resourceful mindset. Don't complain, don't blame, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. And make your priorities very much clear. And coming to this priority again, we women in each and every function, on every festival, we want 5,000 ka lehenga. Right? The box is full, the cupboard is full. Still, on every event, on every wedding, मैम हमेशा शेयर करती है, आई एम नॉट शेयरिंग अ न्यू थिंग, बट 5,000 से नीचे कुछ नहीं हिलेगा भैया, उतने का लहंगा साड़ी चाहिए चाहिए. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू इन्वेस्टमेंट, 1,000 रुपीज देने में बहुत जोर आता है. बच्चे के एजुकेशन का फीस पे करना है, रियली. देन फ्रॉम वेयर दैट 5,000 इज कमिंग? Then you are not thinking that you have to invest this amount of money on your kids' education. 20 shades in your almirah, in your cupboard of lipstick. I'm telling you, 5 साल में एक लिपस्टिक खत्म होता है मेरा. सच में कह रही हूं. पिछले 1.5 साल से एक शेड यूज कर रही हूँ, पिछले 1.5 साल से. In 10 years of my marriage, I just bought 3 lipstick shades. Only 3. एक खत्म हुआ, दूसरा खरीदा, दूसरा खत्म हुआ, तीसरा मेरी भाभी ने मुझे गिफ्ट किया कि दीदी आप इस कलर का शेड लगाते हो, दिस लिपस्टिक आई बॉट फॉर यू. एंड फ्रॉम 1.5 years आई एम यूजिंग दैट वन शेड, एंड आई डोंट फील कि दूसरा चाहिए भी. एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग गाइज कि आप मत खरीदो. इफ यू लव डूइंग मेकअप, प्लीज डू डू दैट. Buy what you want to buy. Groom yourself the way you want to, you know, um, to look at yourself. But I'm talking about priorities. I'm talking about the resourceful mindset. Next, where to invest and why. This should be very much clear. And this I have already covered in, you know, earlier topics. So I have again invested in the Tag Mango because I wanted to start. How I overcame? I again borrowed the money for my you know, the courses. I have borrowed money from the outside because at that point of time हमारे पास नहीं था पैसा इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए. So I borrowed money from outside, and then when I again invested in Tag Mango, that was again from the borrowed money. But I'm really very grateful and I'm feeling very blessed for all those people who have trusted me and they gave that money to me. और उन्होंने पता है मुझे क्या बोला देते वक्त, कि दिस इज आवर इन्वेस्टमेंट इन यू. And there is no relationship with these people. These are my friends. Like, they trusted on me. I have very limited friends, but they trusted me and I made them very clear, पैसा वापस नहीं आए ना तो मेरी फैमिली को परेशान मत करना. जिस दिन मेरे पास पैसा होगा, I'll give your money back to you. तो जब आसपास ना मिले, stop complaining and blaming about the people who are very close to you. Just find the people. There are so many people who love you a lot, who trust on you. You just have to show your potential that you can do this. And then set your targets, that this is what I want to achieve. First event in Bangalore, November, I received my parenting certification, that Super Family Award. And only few mothers were there on the stage who were receiving the 5 lakh club award. That was the moment I committed to myself. Next event, no matter where, no matter when, I will be there on the stage and I'll do whatever it takes. So set your targets very clear. Only that can help you to overcome from your resistances. Because challenges will come definitely, because this is life. You can't predict a life without challenges. And then I took actions. Every time stepping out of my comfort zone, doing what I never thought about कि मुझे ये करना है, but I took actions just by not doing this. It's not about me, it's about them. It's not about me, it's about them. If I'm not serving, I'm lying to myself. If I'm not serving, I'm lying to the universe. So it's not about me, it's about them. So take actions and then surrender with patience. I still remember we received that 5 lakh club award in June. In April, I was sharing with ma'am कि मैम अभी तो बहुत बाकी है 5 लाख तक पहुंचने में. बट आई वॉज वेरी पेशेंट बिकॉज मेरा 2025 का एक ही थीम था, पेशेंस, ट्रस्ट एंड सरेंडर. 3 वर्ड्स अभी मेरे ब्लड में है पूरे तरीके से इस 2025 में. सरेंडर, ट्रस्ट एंड पेशेंस. एंड इन मे द मोमेंट केम जब हमें वो क्लेम फॉर्म भरना था फॉर द 5 lakh. 2 students come to me for my one-on-one 1-year program, and that ma'am has shared multiple times 1.5 lakh for a year. And I crossed 5 lakh. And I was there on stage to receive my 5 lakh club award. Completely magical. क्योंकि 15-15, 20-20 हजार में आपका 5 लाख नहीं बनता है. बट आई वॉज स्टिल कि ठीक है मिलेगा तो नहीं, अदरवाइज आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. वट एवर आई एम डूइंग इनफ. आई एम पुटिंग माई एफर्ट्स. आई एम डूइंग वट एवर आई कैन in a best possible way right now, and let's see what's happened. And then the magic happened. And one of them, she called me at 10 o'clock in the night and she told me, I just want to join your 1-year program because I really feel that you are serving with passion. You are serving with your purpose. So it's not about money for you. It's about your purpose, that you are serving mothers out there. And I never tell her about my 1-year program. Never told her anything. मैंने सिर्फ इतना बोला था, I'm just teaching what I'm learning. And she joined. So magic होते हैं. If you trust, if you surrender, and if you keep your patience a little high, magic होते हैं. So these are the simple steps that I followed. I attended all live calls, started working on my energy, observe how ma'am is implementing each and everything very quickly, clear priorities, resourceful mindset. Again, take help from the outside if you feel that is required. Set your targets, clear targets, then take action and then surrender with patience. If you feel that these are powerful steps, then type P in the chat box. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, what happened after taking all these steps? How my life transformed and what I'm experiencing right now. Do you want to know about this? What's happening in my life now? And what are the shift that I have experienced in this 1.5 years? So I joined EPH in April 2024. We are in November 2025. If I look back, it's just 1.5 years. कुछ नहीं होता, 1.5 साल में बच्चा चलना भी नहीं सीखता है. And we always underestimate the power of, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and we want instant results in our life. And we want instant results. That's why we feel overwhelmed. We start feeling impatient कि 2 महीने से कर रही हूँ and the things are not happening. अगर 30 साल में नहीं बदली, 2 महीने में नहीं बदल रही है, then can you please keep your patience a little bit high and can you wait for next 2 to 3 years? अगर 2-3 साल में मेहनत करने से आपकी लाइफ बदल रही है, then why not? Struggling for next 40, 50, 60 years of your life, it's better to keep your patience for next 2 to 3 years and just take actions one step at a time. So my journey so far, right now I'm here in front of you and you can better tell me कि मैं कैसी communicator हूँ. How I am talking to you guys. Am I able to put my things in a right way? Are you able to understand what I'm sharing? So now I feel I'm a very confident communicator just because of this community. We have this opportunity to connect with mothers, to share our stories, to share what we are experiencing. So the system that ma'am has created in this community, that you can connect with any mother anytime, you can share, you can learn, you can be accountability partner with each other. We all are here to hand hold with each other. This is so powerful. And let me tell you, I'm still there in so many communities, but ऐसा system किसी के पास भी नहीं है. This is not ma'am is only saying. I am saying because we are experiencing this. There is no connection even after 3 years, 5 years. जानते ही नहीं है community में कौन है. And in 3 to 4 months, you will be able to recognize the faces of the mothers of this community. So that's why when we are meeting for these physical events, the offline events, we feel that connection. That hey, hi Hiral, hi Kinjal, hi Isha. And we hug each other जैसे पता नहीं कितने सालों से जानते हैं. सिर्फ एक बार मिले हैं, 2 बार मिले हैं. But the connection is so strong because of the system. My relationship with my family has increased a lot. So when I started learning, मुझे लगता था क्या क्या सीखना है. मतलब my relationship with my husband is good. मेरा बच्चा बहुत अच्छा है. He knows what to do, what not to do. But let me tell you, बहुत ऑप्शन है हर जगह आपको इम्प्रूव करने के लिए. When I invested, my husband was not interested in learning at all. उनको लगता था आपको सीखना है सीखो, आपको नहीं रोक रहा हूं, but I don't believe in these things. Because you have already your qualifications, your degrees with you. अब ये और क्या सिखाएंगे. Now he also started investing in his his learnings. My son, I can't express how beautifully he is learning. When I connecting with mothers, when I am sharing something in my sessions, let me share quickly a very recent example. Like 5 days back, one mother was asking me कि मेरे बच्चे का राइटिंग अच्छा नहीं है. ही इज डूइंग हिज बेस्ट टू इम्प्रूव हिज राइटिंग, बट ही इज नॉट एबल टू डू. So, can you please suggest me something? And my son was playing sitting near me. He just, you know, quickly he ran to the room, his books. वहां से A4 sheet उठा के लाया, and he started drawing on that A4 sheet very quickly. And he told me, मम्मा इनको रोक के रखना स्पॉटलाइट पे. तो मैंने कहा ओके. तो मैं उनसे जब तक बात कर रही थी, उसने फटाफट A4 शीट पे कुछ ड्रॉ किया, एंड देन ही केम एंड ही शेयर्ड दैट थिंग विद दैट पर्टिकुलर लेडी कि यू टेल योर सन, वो ये करेंगे ना तो उनकी राइटिंग अच्छी हो जाएगी. एंड ही इज जस्ट 7. एंड द लेडी वाज आस्किंग अबाउट हिज 14 years old son. एंड आई वाज वेरी शॉक्ड, क्योंकि जो शेयर उसने किया था, जो टिप उसने शेयर किया था, वो मुझे भी नहीं पता था. He learned it, he was watching सीखो ऐप. तो सीखो ऐप में वो कुछ बता रहे थे, हाउ टू इम्प्रूव योर राइटिंग, हाउ टू इम्प्रूव योर योर स्किल्स, योर आर्ट. उसने वहां सुना, और जब वो क्वेश्चन आया तो ही शेयर दैट. सो नॉट ओनली वी आर ग्रोइंग, आवर होल फैमिली इज ग्रोइंग हियर. And he loved the stories what ma'am is sharing. Sometimes when I am not there present in front of camera, my son will be there. वो हमेशा रहेगा, घूमता रहेगा, सुनता रहेगा, सारी चीजें करता रहेगा. सो हाउ ब्यूटिफुली आर किड्स आर ग्रोइंग. ऐसा कहीं नहीं मिलेगा. एंड आई स्टार्टेड सेट नाउ नेक्स्ट, आई स्टार्टेड सेटिंग माई बाउंड्रीज. आई लव माई फैमिली, आई लव एवरीबडी, बट आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर हाउ टू सेट बाउंड्रीज. Then I watch that section, your connection with your family, how to communicate with your relationships. पूरे पूरे कोर्स में अगर सबसे पावरफुल कोई सीरीज है ना, वो ये वाली है, हाउ टू सेट बाउंड्रीज एंड हाउ टू कम्युनिकेट. अगर आपने ये दो चीजें सीख ली, then it will help you in each and every area of your life. How to set boundaries and how to communicate in relationship. No matter your relationship with your family, your friends, your colleagues, your boss, if you know how to communicate, all set. So go and watch these courses again and again. When I'm connecting with mothers, they told me कि मैम आशा हमने देखा है, बाउंड्री सेटिंग, बाउंड्री देखा है, कनेक्शन रिलेशनशिप देखा है, हमने देखा है. नहीं, आपने नहीं देखा है. आपने सिर्फ ईयरफोन लगाया है, आपने जाके घूमा है, घूमे फिरे हो, आपने घर का सारा काम किया है, but you have never observed the things minutely what ma'am is sharing. Only 5-6 steps are there. If you understand, पूरी जिंदगी सेट है भैया. So just go again and watch it. If you feel that there is some issue, there is some, gap between communication in any relationship, be it with your kids or your partner or your family. So now I have account on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. उतना नहीं ग्रो किया है, but I break my resistances. Now I know I can come live anytime. I can record my videos. I can post anytime. So I have break my resistances. अब ये रेजिस्टेंस नहीं है कि इंस्टाग्राम पे नहीं जाना है, पॉडकास्ट नहीं करना है, लाइव नहीं करना है, फेसबुक पे कुछ नहीं डालना है. नो, आई ओवरकम, टेक एक्शन क्विकली Only this will help you to break your resistances. Next, now I have a complete clarity on my purpose. No matter what others are saying, no matter what my parents or my family is feeling, I have complete clarity on my purpose. अब दुनिया की किसी भी चीज में ताकत नहीं है कि वो मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर दे. Nothing. If universe want, if God wants, that is a different thing. Otherwise, no. People are telling me you're so qualified, you are qualified in physics. Can you imagine how much you can earn? Yes, I know how much I can earn. 10 years back, one of the very famous school of this area, they offered me ₹1,00,000 per month. When I was freshers in 2015, जब मैं सिर्फ मास्टर्स करके आई थी. So I know how much I can earn. But from that money, can I earn that satisfaction and happiness? 8 साल लगे मुझे इस क्लैरिटी तक पहुंचने में कि मुझे अपनी लाइफ में क्या करना है और कैसे करना है. What is the purpose of my life? And just because what people are saying and what people are thinking, मैं वो छोड़ दूं जो मुझे सेटिस्फेक्शन देता है, मुझे हैप्पीनेस देता है? नॉट एट ऑल. Next, now I conducted my online sessions. I learned Zoom, I learned Canva, I learned editing, I learned everything. Everything was a new chapter for me. कुछ नहीं आता था, कुछ भी नहीं आता था. फोटो भी जो कैमरे से खींच ली ना, सेल्फी भी, वो वैसी की वैसी ही रहती थी. देर आर पीपल जो मल्टीपल एप्स डाउनलोड करते हैं, फोटो की एडिटिंग करते हैं. मैंने कभी वो भी नहीं किया. But now I conducted my online sessions. I manage everything on my own, and every day I'm learning something or the other, because I know अभी तो सिर्फ level 1 है. This is the first step जहाँ पे मैं हूँ. Now I'm selling my services with grace. जैसे मैम बोलती है ना, प्लैटिनम में आना है तो आओ. If platinum chooses you, then only you can come to the platinum. Now I have no doubt on the services that I am giving, the value that I am giving, the efforts that I am putting. If you are ready to heal yourself, then only you will come to me. Otherwise, it's your choice, now or later, with me or someone else. Heal तो आपको करना ही है खुद को. So now make your decisions. So I know that selling is service, and now I know the values that I'm giving. So now I recognizing my worth. I started recognizing my worth, my potential. I started loving myself. I started respecting myself. For 1.5 years, I gave free services. Nobody was giving that respect. Nobody was paying attention. I was calling from my side, giving them free one-on-one call. They are getting results, but only I was putting efforts. And after getting results, they were not paying any attention. Why? Because I was not giving that respect to myself. Confidence ही नहीं था that I am doing something valuable and I have my worth and value and respect for my time and energy. But when you start understanding, this will come automatically. Now, from debt to financial independence, 10 lakh of debt, and that 10 lakh was total investment on my learning in last 2 years. Not 10 rupees in my bank account. Still, I took that step. I took that decision to borrow money, invested on myself, invested on my learnings, and then today I am here on this position कि मुझे किसी से अपने काम के लिए किसी से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. Where I want to invest, why I want to invest, how much amount I want to invest, everything is my decision. And when you know, जब आपके पास अपना डिसीजन लेने की जो फ्रीडम होती है ना, उसका लेवल अलग है, उसे कोई मैच नहीं कर सकता. So bring that courage in you. If you don't have money, borrow it from some trusted people who can trust you. Invest in yourself, और ये आपको रिजल्ट जरूर देगा. And then beautiful journey of leadership. Started my journey as a leader, now as a super coach. And for that, I'm really grateful to ma'am for her trust on me, her faith on me, and giving me this opportunity where I am today. Now I'm managing my things very well. टाइम भी मैनेज हो रहा है, मनी भी मैनेज हो रहा है, घर भी मैनेज हो रहा है. लेट मी टेल यू, एवरीथिंग इन माई होम आई एम डूइंग ऑन माई ओन. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस कॉल, घर का पूरा काम खत्म करके झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन खाना लंच एवरीथिंग रेडी, प्लस one group session in the morning 5:30 to 6:30 and the another session one on one already done. After that at 11 o'clock I joined this call. And if you feel this is crazy, type C in the chat box. Even I can't trust when I'm saying this. तो मुझे यकीन नहीं हो रहा है कि 11 बजे I'm sitting here, already done 2 sessions, done everything at my home, and now I'm sharing these things. And I'm feeling very happy and grateful to share that today, not only, the mothers from India, I have 2 mothers, one from Japan, one from Dubai, for my one-on-one sessions. And now I feel कि थोड़ा सा कुछ लाइफ में शुरू किया है मैंने. And now I'm back on track, much stronger, much confident. And now here I want to share one very important thing. जो आज ही सुबह सुबह when I was just going through my slides, मेरे दिमाग में आया कि before that bottom rock, rock bottom, when I hit the rock bottom of my life, there was a life. And after that, right now, this is my life. There is a difference between both. I was strong that time. I was, confident that time. But I was just pretending that I am very strong and confident. And that's why वो लाइफ में ना वो डिप आया. Because no matter what's happening inside, I was breaking inside, I was not feeling good inside, but still I was pretending and showing the world that I'm so strong, I'm so confident. I was not recognizing my emotions. I was just suppressing my emotions कि आप डर नहीं सकते, आप झुक नहीं सकते, you have to fight, you have to do this. And then that dip came in my life. But now when I'm evolving, I'm coming back on track, is the one who is recognizing who I am, is the one who is recognizing my emotions. If I'm feeling not good, I'm feeling not good. I'm accepting it. If right now I'm not feeling confident, not feeling confident, it's okay. I'll work on myself. So there is a difference between two things. So just do the analysis who you are. Are you just pretending what you are doing, or you are the real one? So this will help you to understand who you are. So this is my journey from doubt to self-discovery, and now from self-discovery to growing as a soul. So now I have a bigger purpose beyond everything. And I know this is my soul purpose. That's why I'm here. So if you love this journey, type love in the chat box. Now I want quickly share few things that help me to transform. This is how I transform, but the steps that help me. So I make very pointer format for this. So just quickly we will go through these pointers. Ma'am, may I share?
Yes, please,
Because
Asha, please, please.
yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. So the steps that help me find a mentor and follow. So find a mentor का option खत्म. We all have mentor. And one stop solution for everything. So she is not giving just parenting, she is not giving you the emotional healing. अगर कहीं आपको कुछ एक सॉल्यूशन चाहिए लाइफ की हर एक प्रॉब्लम के लिए, so the problem and the solutions, the whole package is this EPH. So just follow, learn every day. If 10 minutes, तो सिर्फ 10 मिनट ही, पर सीखो. Because your learning is giving you that power and energy, जिसका कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, जिसका कोई सप्लीमेंट नहीं है, जिसका कोई भी रिप्लेसमेंट नहीं है. सो लर्न एवरी डे. एंड देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन नोइंग एंड डूइंग. ये स्टेप बहुत जरूरी है और ये मैम हमेशा शेयर करती हैं. सो आई जस्ट पिक इट फ्रॉम हर ओनली. So there is a difference between knowing and doing. I know I can do this, but am I doing? So ask this question every time. जब भी आपको लगे कि आप कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो, so ask this question. Am I really doing something? हम हमेशा बोलते हैं कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. तो जब ये आता है ना कि कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, then ask this question. I just know this thing, or I'm really putting efforts for this thing. Now next, recognize your strength and weakness. So ये self discovery की journey में I feel this is the strongest point, that recognize your strength and weaknesses बहुत जरूरी है. हम सिर्फ करते रहते हैं करते रहते हैं करते रहते हैं और हमें यही नहीं पता चलता कि what is working for us and what is not working for us. So just observe yourself and evaluate yourself, what is working for you and what is not working for you. And then next comes, when you recognize your strength and weaknesses, accept it fully. Okay, this is my strength and this is my weakness. Just giving my example. So right now I don't have any recorded courses for myself, for my services and for my customers. I'm connecting with them one on one and then giving my services. So I feel this is my strength. When I connect with them personally, so this is my strength. And I don't want it to stop me there just because I don't have recorded courses. I wanted to start my journey. तो जो है जैसा है ये मेरी strength है, I started. Now I know I'm going to record my courses, I'm going to build my courses, I'm going to build my app. Yes, definitely it will happen for sure. But right now, what is my strength on which I can work? So recognize your strength and accept it. Your weaknesses, उनको recognize करना और भी जरूरी है. And accept it. Okay, this is the thing that I need to work more. Next, get out of your comfort zone, guys. This is very important. The most important. Get out of your comfort zone. जब तक आप comfort zone से नहीं आओगे, you will not be able to recognize your potential. From last 3 months, I'm running something at my community level, and every time I'm switching the times. I conducted my sessions 9 p.m. Then I switched it to 5:30 just to see my potential. There was no other reason. तो शुरू में ये मत सोचो कि कौन आएगा उस टाइम पे, कौन नहीं आएगा उस टाइम पे. जस्ट सी योर कैलिबर, हाउ मच पोटेंशियल यू हैव. I was not able to wake up in the morning. So I switched my sessions at 5:30 to 6:30. Now I'm waking up at 4:15. जब तक इस बॉडी को थोड़ा तकलीफ नहीं दोगे ना बाहर निकलने की, ये नहीं निकलेगी. ये बहुत जरूरी है. And then stay consistent as much as you can. Do your part and surrender. So this is again the theme of the year कि अपना काम करो and then surrender. And then important thing, rest and recharge. सो ये डिफरेंट हो सकता है हर इंसान के लिए. किसी के लिए रेस्ट एंड रिचार्ज में कुछ अलग स्टेप्स आते हैं, किसी के लिए रेस्ट एंड रिचार्ज में कुछ अलग स्टेप्स आते हैं. यू विल बी एबल टू फिगर आउट योर थिंग व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड हु यू आर. When you start connecting with yourself, you will be able to understand what are your strengths and weaknesses, when to rest, when to recharge. Let me share again a very example from my own thing. So first time when I went for the Bangalore event, after coming back, I shared this thing with ma'am also. कि मैम आने के बाद everybody is taking action and I'm not able to take any action. I'm feeling just sitting and समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या हो रहा है. I'm not able to understand what's happening. Then I again, I came back on track. Then again after Delhi event, कुछ दिनों के लिए फिर मेरे साथ वही होना शुरू हो गया. Then I recognize that this is my pattern, this is the response of my body. कि जब भी मैं किसी ऐसी जगह पे होती हूँ that is helping me to grow, that is giving me more ideas, that is giving me a bigger picture of myself, the bigger picture of my dreams. मेरी बॉडी को टाइम चाहिए होता है उनको ऑब्जॉर्व करने के लिए, उनको एक प्रॉपर तरीके से अलाइनमेंट में लाने के लिए. माई बॉडी, माई माइंड, ईच एंड एवरी सेल ऑफ माई बॉडी इज ऑब्जॉर्विंग दैट एनर्जी, दैट वाइब्रेशन. So now, then I understood, then I connected the dots, even, other from other events as well. And I got to know that this is my response. This is the response of my body. तो परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है आशा. Just sit quiet for a few days. Let everything sink in and then come back with more energy. So connect with your own self. This will help you. काम करो, then take rest, give that absorb that energy and come back with more strength and more action, more speed, and then follow the system. Dr. Surbi was also sharing yesterday, अपना दिमाग नहीं लगाना. मैंने बहुत लगाया, कुछ नहीं बदलता है. तो अपना दिमाग मत लगाओ. Whatever is there already in front of you, just follow. So these are the steps that helped me to transform, and I really hope कि ये आपकी जरूर हेल्प करेंगे. इफ यू जस्ट फोकस एंड जस्ट पिक वन और टू फॉर नाउ एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. एंड नाउ एट द एंड, two non-negotiable pointers that keep you alive in this journey. And these pointers are like really non-negotiable, जिनके साथ मैं तो नहीं कर सकती कोई भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज. बिकॉज आई फील कि अगर मैंने यहाँ कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया देन everything collapse. So these are the pointers that I want to share because these are the things that are keeping me alive. और मुझे पता है मेरी जो जर्नी है, मेरा जो पर्पस है, उसके लिए इनका रहना बहुत जरूरी है. So the first thing is you should know your big why and intention behind it. तो मैम, रिद्धि मैम हमेशा शेयर करती है in each and every class that you should know your big why. why you want to do this.
Asha,
If you're
your voice is breaking a little.
okay, ma'am, let me check. Is it okay now? Hello? Hello? If you can find, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. So when you start doing something, first question, before starting anything, before doing anything or before taking any step, ask yourself, why I want to do this? And what is my intention behind this? जितना स्ट्रांग आपका वाई होगा, जितना प्योर आपका इंटेंशन होगा, the more it will help you to continue your journey. And the last but not the least, and the powerful one, any guess? Any guesses? क्या हो सकता है? Action, consistency, keep learning, focus, gratitude, do whatever it takes. How? Implementation. Okay. Okay. Spiritual surrender, share, detachment. For me, ये दिखा भी नहीं रहा है अभी. Are you committed or just interested? If you feel that this is Balwan, then type BO in the chat box. Are you committed or just interested? I want to become a parenting and life coach. Why? Because there are 1,000 mothers in this community who are aspiring to become a parenting and life coach. I want to become a life coach, or I want to do this, I want to do that. Why? Because trend वही है. Just interested. Or I just want to explore what's happening. So this is the interest. But I want to become a parenting and life coach for the mothers out there, no matter what. My intention is to serve and purpose the women out there, to help them to come out of their emotional baggages, the traumas that they are carrying from the generation, so that they can heal themselves and they can raise confident, independent, mindful, and happy kids in this world, so that they can create the happy homes which will contribute towards the greatest happiness of this planet. And I am committed no matter what. So if you have that commitment, then only you will go till the end with your purpose. Otherwise, God knows. So this is it from my side.
Awesome.
Thank
How
you
many
so
of
much.
you are now feeling super, super committed? If you're feeling super committed, put C for committed in the chat box. Okay, let me also add myself to the spotlight. Yes. And how many of you are observing a pattern between, for me, I feel this is such a proud moment as a mentor. I've seen them crying, I've seen them shattered, I have seen them not believing in themselves, telling me, ma'am, main nahi kar sakti. And all of you, like, they didn't even know proper English. If you think that's powerful, put P for powerful in the chat box. And from there to here, I'm getting very emotional. I feel so good to see you. Thank you so much, Asha. And I want to thank Surbi from yesterday. For me, there is no bigger win than watching you guys, do the magic that you're doing, because for me, the mission is to create this ripple effect. Because I want parenting information to reach every single household of the world, and I cannot do it alone. I need Ashas, I need Surbis, I need every single one of you to do it. And I know one thing, whether you believe in yourself or you don't, I believe in you. I believe in you and I know you can do it. Because the Asha that you see here, she didn't believe in herself. The Surbi that you saw, she didn't believe in herself. So, belief is not something that will come to you when you're sitting. Belief is something that comes to you when you start taking action, just like they did. Just like I did, because I didn't believe in myself either 9 years back. So I'm so proud of you, from not able to communicate to communicating for 80 minutes non-stop without a break. Super, super proud of you. God bless you. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
I cannot
It
tell
just
you.
because of your trust, the efforts that you're putting, and the magic that you are creating in this community, the ideas that you are bringing, and the way you are helping us to learn is the only thing that because of this I am here today.
And can all of you also notice one thing? What I have noticed, I'm also picking up on patterns now, because this is the first time I'm actually, spotlighting. Uh, and I think this is so good that I feel I should do this every month, and it's really amazing. And they're not just focused on the information. How many of you understand there is no dearth of information out there? There's so much information on the internet, on social media. What are they picking up on? The mindset. What did Asha speak about? That, when I'm going for the super coach calls, Riddhi ma'am is saying, this is an idea, we will implement it tomorrow. What did she pick up on? She picked up on the speed. That's not a piece of information, that's a style of working. Yesterday, Surbi was sharing that she's picking up on my pauses, and that she's picking up on how I use my hand, and even I didn't know that you guys are picking up on all of this. But can you understand what is the difference between somebody who is interested and somebody who's committed? That you're just going to do whatever it takes to move to the next level. So I'm so, so proud of you all, the platinum mothers. If you're in platinum, put P for platinum, that you're ready to take action. Put P for platinum. And all the gold, silver, diamond mothers. How many of you are ready to level up? Put LU in the chat box, that I'm ready to level up. I don't want to be at that level forever. You don't need money. And Asha is like a living proof of it. She didn't have the money, she didn't have the support. She did it. And I love what she mentioned. It's not about the resources, it's about the priorities. How you deploy your resources. आप कहाँ यूज़ कर रहे हो उसको अपने लाइफ में. एंड बहुत पहले मेरी एक मेंटर ने मुझे बताया था कि घर पे सबसे अमीर वुमेन ही होते हैं. उनका कबर्ड खोलिए, आपको दिखेगा किसके पास पैसे की कमी है. Maximum clothes, maximum shoes, maximum bags, maximum jewelry, maximum makeup. We have the most of everything, and we are the ones who keep crying. I don't have, I don't have, I
True.
don't have. So it's not like you don't have, you have, but you don't have the mindset to use it in areas of growth. And sometimes we might not have that mindset because we were not raised in that environment. But till you do not create this mindset or do not borrow this mindset, you would never get out of that life, and you would never be able to move towards the life that you truly deserve to live. If this is making sense, put MS. That I have to create that mindset. If I don't have it, it's okay. I'm going to create it. And if I cannot create it, I'm going to borrow it from Asha. I'm going to borrow it from Surbi. And we'll have more speakers coming from tomorrow. So either you have it, if you don't have it, you create it. If you can't create it, you borrow it. But the idea is you're going to do something to move out of this, because your life was not given to you just for eating and sleeping. God did not create you for just that. You were created for something very meaningful. And it's time that we start showing up for that. Right? So now we don't have too much time because Asha, you took too much time. So we can just do 5 to 10 minutes of
Sorry, ma'am.
Q&A. No worries, it's okay. Whatever, it's we all loved it. So we're just going to do 5 minutes or 10 minutes of Q&A, maybe 12:37, 7 minutes we'll exceed. We will do 10 minutes of Q&A. And all the gold mothers, how many of you aspire to be like Asha? If you aspire to be like her, put A for aspire, that I want to do whatever it takes. And those of you who were there for Surbi's story, how many of you feel that, if she can do it, I can do it too? Put I can do it in the chat box. That, if she can sit in a small village, a small town, which most people don't know of, and can make 1 crore without spending a single penny on ads. If Asha here can sit with just 3 tables and 3 chairs in her house and ask 1.5 lakhs for a year, you can do it. But I just want to tell you one thing, sometimes your comfort becomes your resistance. It's not that you don't have the skills. You are very comfortable in the space that you're in. You have a nice house, you have a nice car, sab chal raha hai theek. But understand, it's not about you, it's about the people who are waiting for you. It's not about you. The whole quality of the soul is service. Like sugar का quality sweetness, आपके soul का quality service. So you can live in a palace, but if you're not in service, you will not be happy. And how many of you have been through it? I've been through it 9 years back. If you've been through it or if you're going through it, put E for experience. You can live in a palace-like house with a very loving husband, good family, and still not feel happy. Because money can only buy you comfort. It cannot buy you happiness. Yeah, so all the stories are spotlighted. So all the gold, silver, diamond mothers, you can join the Black Friday Elite group if you have still not joined. This is something that every single one of you should do for yourself and gift yourself this experience. So super coaches, if I can request you to put the link in the chat. I want every single gold, silver, diamond, platinum members who are not in Elite to be a part of these groups. And on the Black Day of Black Friday, I want you to make this your priority action. And do this for yourself. This will be the best gift that you can give yourself, your child, your entire family. It's like a one-time investment for a full life for your entire family, right? So now let's take questions. Let's get Swati. Keep your questions short. Yeah.
Thank you, Riddhi ma'am. Thank you, Asha, for sharing your impeccable story. So, Asha, I have
Thank you
just
so
one
much.
question, and that is when you were talking about resistances. Of course, I have most of the resistances that you've talked about, and I'm sure I can overcome them after, all this. But there's one resistance that was not, listed and that I keep feeling, and that is where you come from. Like, your background, sometimes our background is given, sometimes we just make our background with our own mistakes and regrets. So how do you overcome that one resistance, that where do you come from, what have you done in your past, or what have been done to you? How do you overcome that, believing
Okay.
that you will be able to overcome, and people will agree, people would want to listen to you, pay to listen to you, when you yourself have been to, like, I hope I get my question across.
Yes, 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 yes. So, this question is related to your journey as a coach. That's what you are asking. Yes, you are on mute.
Swati, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah. This I'm asking for my journey as a coach. So so I've
Yes,
just started doing one-on-one sessions, and
yes,
sometimes when I try to advise or suggest something, and then I get into self-doubt very
yes,
quickly that
yes,
I did it. I cannot, apply it. I cannot. How can I vouch for it? That self
yes.
conviction doesn't come. And then I get into that loop of not doing it again or, not even trying again. So,
Yeah.
how do I
So
overcome that
for
resistance?
that, Swati, I just want to give you one line. Okay. And whenever this self-doubt come in front of you, just tell that doubt. I'm also learning. I'm growing in my life. So nobody born with all the perfections. The mentors, the coaches who are out there at international level, globally they are teaching. वो आज ऐसे जैसे हैं ऐसे नहीं थे 30 साल पहले, 50 साल पहले. They have started their journey from this level only. And then when they started their working on themselves, after
Mm-hmm.
one step, and then one step, then one step, they have worked on themselves and they evolved step by step. And that's how they are here today.
Got
So
it.
you have worked on yourself. That's why you know the issues of the people out there. And now you want to help the people. So just give yourself that I'm also learning, I'm also growing, and I understand this resistance and I accept it. But I still want to do this service.
Got it, Asha. Thank you. You explained it so well. Thank you, Riddhi
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Amazing. Let's put A for amazing for Swati. And let's get Harpreet Kaur. Yes, you can unmute Harpreet.
Hello, Riddhi ma'am. This
Hi,
is the first
Harpreet.
time I'm talking to you. I've
Yes,
just joined the Gold membership 10, 20 days earlier.
amazing.
And
Good
it's
timing.
amazing to hear Asha's journey of success. It's really inspiring. And
Yes.
it's same
Thank you
with
so
me. I
much.
was a teacher and 10 years, 12 years back, I left my job and I'm sitting at home and I'm just getting crazy about doing something. And I'm just feeling that I'm not doing anything now. So I just want to ask you, how did you showcase first yourself after learning and after learning all these skills?
Okay.
Because I'm
So,
also like you, not having much exposure and not having any AI or not techie person. So I just want to ask you about those things.
okay, so what do you feel कि आपका सबसे अच्छा क्या है? मतलब what is that one particular topic you feel that you are best in that?
Convincing,
Sorry?
convincing power.
Convincing power. So, do you feel that you can sell this
That's what
to
I'm
the people?
asking you because selling things, being a teacher, I don't know about these things, how to sell my stuff and how to.
Okay. So, selling is your plus point. Okay, selling is your strength. Now, what do you want to sell? Do you have a clarity about this?
No, because I just want to ask you, how did you come into the market? How, because
Okay, Asha,
you
so
are
I'll just
saying you
explain. Her
don't.
question is, uh,
Yes, ma'am.
what was the first step you took? Let's say you
Yes,
got the
yes.
Okay.
certificate from me. The
Okay.
first step you took. That's what she's.
Because you are
Okay.
saying that you did not have any videos or recordings that
Yes.
time.
Yes.
So how
Yes.
did you step into the market?
Yes. So I know I am good in helping. I'm good in, I can listen patiently. I can put my things, very nicely when, the people, if they have any questions, they have any queries. But I just wanted to start something जिसको लोग समझें. सिर्फ कुछ मुझे कोई सुनने और मुझे कुछ शेयर करने तो कोई नहीं आएगा मेरे पास टू टू पे मी एंड फॉर दैट पर्पस. एंड आई वॉज नॉट क्लियर कि मुझे पेरेंटिंग करना है, मुझे लाइफ कोचिंग करना है या मुझे कुछ और करना है. बट आई न्यू वन थिंग, that I am very good at meditation.
Okay.
Okay, that is my strength, I feel. So I started making those templates and started circulating in my groups. That was my first initial state. My groups, my WhatsApp group, my family groups, my friends group, that I am starting my meditation sessions to help mothers for their emotional wellness. So that
Okay.
was my first step. And when I started doing these meditation sessions, and then mothers started coming to me, they started explaining their thing, that this is something that I am going through. I started helping, sharing my things, sharing my learnings and experiences. And then they feel कि yes, this is something जिसकी हमें जरूरत थी.
Okay.
And after connecting with so many mothers, मुझे पता चला कि what this audience is demanding, what is their need. And then I started making my organizing my things, my learnings and experiences, and the points that is much needed for their emotional healing. So the self discovery जो मैंने अपनी जर्नी को नाम दिया है, इसी नाम से मेरे पास अपना एक कंटेंट रेडी है.
Okay.
तो इट्स नॉट दैट कि वो मैं खुद पे अप्लाई कर रही हूँ और दूसरों को नहीं बता रही हूँ, या दूसरों को अप्लाई कर रही हूँ और खुद को नहीं बता रही हूँ. So this is same for me and same for the other mothers, women. If this is working for me, this will definitely work for you. If this is working for 10 mothers, it will definitely work for your emotional healing. So when you start your journey, slowly you will get the clarity कि आपको सच में करना क्या है, क्या डिमांड है मदर्स की, ऑडियंस की, आपके ऑडियंस की. And then slowly you will develop the whole thing.
And you build the connections also over the time.
Correct.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, so I'll
And
just
keep
summarize.
connect.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
continue, finish. I thought you had.
Nah, it's okay, ma'am.
No, you please finish today. You're the star. I want the
Okay.
spotlight on you.
Yeah, and you keep connecting with the mother. That I initially I started with new mothers for their postpartum thing, because I went into that postpartum depression after delivery of my child. So I started connecting mothers with that purpose. Then I connected so many mothers after their delivery when their kids were young. What you are feeling, how you are feeling, your body, your emotional health, your mental health.
So how did they approach you? Means through WhatsApp groups only, or
Okay,
The
so I
new
will just tell Harpreet. So basically, first you start creating content, right?
okay,
Then you start posting your content on social media. You get them into your family, into the WhatsApp groups. Then you go out with your strengths, what you feel you're good at. Now, when you're sharing your strengths with them, you will understand their need,
okay,
because you cannot understand somebody's needs unless you know them. Like, when I
yes,
come to you, I understand what is it that you're looking for. But to get to you, I have to give you something first. And what can I
yes,
give you? I can only give you what I'm good at, or what
yes,
I feel I can help you with. So I will come to you, I will tell you, Harpreet, I have this beautiful meditation for you, which will help you feel very calm, very relaxed. If meditation is my strength, and this would help you feel relaxed. Right? Now, when you're feeling relaxed, you might share two new things with me. I will note those two things. And just like that, I'm not just connecting with you, I'm connecting with so many other mothers. So I'm just
yes,
noting, she needed this, she needed this, she needed this. And then all of this comes together. And then next
okay,
time when I come to you, I don't just come to you with meditation. I come to you with meditation plus दो चीजें और. फिर जब मैं आपके
okay,
पास आती हूँ तो आप मुझसे दो चीज और बताते हो. I write it. And like
okay,
that, my list keeps building. I keep learning. I keep coming back to you with more and more. And as I keep coming back to you with more and more, my value keeps increasing. So maybe in the beginning, I will only take 5,000. Later, I can take 20,000. Then I can take 2 lakhs. And then I can also take 2 crores.
yeah,
Right? So that's the cycle that you have to keep repeating. You have to keep going back with more. So if you see in the platinum, I keep coming back with more. So I keep
yes,
learning, And as I keep learning, I keep coming back. And that's why I keep saying that I will make the value 5 lakhs for a year, because I will. So you understand? So this is something that, but the only point that all of you have to really note, take action without thinking too much. Like Tony Robbins says, if you're in your head, you're dead.
Yeah.
So get out of your head, take action, invest in very nice thing that I read, not read, it was a video that I saw. Poor people invest on material things like, furniture, clothes, gold.
Yes.
Poor people, they invest in these things. Millionaires will invest on mutual funds, shares, equity, crypto. And billionaires will invest in themselves
Yeah.
because you're the main business. If you don't grow,
Yes.
no matter, even a running business, you can bring it to zero. Even if I give you a successful business, but you're not growing, no guarantee you can manage that business. So if you see, and very nice thing which one meant, and I don't share these things usually because, I feel you should be excited about your growth. But one thing that I want to share with all of you, which happened with me a long time ago. So I had this mentor, and she called us and she's like, "How many of you want to be millionaires and billionaires?" And we like, me. Everybody's putting me. Pura chat bhar gaya me mein se, theek hai? Then she said, "Okay, so I just want to tell you that the value of my membership has increased from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs." उनका लास्ट महीना 3 था, फिर उस मंथ वो बोल रही है, "The value of my membership has increased from 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs." Everybody is putting, "Ma'am, 2 lakhs increase in 1 month. Ma'am, please give me, I will take it in the old value. Please give me, ma'am, old value, old value." She's like, "No, it's 5 lakhs now. I will put the link. Those of you who want to be millionaires and billionaires, go and click on the link." Now everybody is like in that zone कि मेरा 5 लाख का 3 लाख हो गया, 3 लाख का 5 लाख हो गया, अब मैं कैसे लूँ? One person clicked in the group. Okay, and then one person went and उसमें लिखा था, "You have courage, it is still 3 lakhs." Okay, and that person started smiling. Okay, and then she was like, "Those who click on the link, keep your mouth shut." Okay, the mentor is saying, "Those who click on the link, keep your mouth shut." And I have those who have clicked, they have happily gone and taken, and the mouth is shut. And then the others are still crying in the chat. And then she said, "You want to be a millionaire and a billionaire, and you want to treat yourself like a Tata Indica." Like, आपको मिलियनेयर बिलियनर बनना है, आप 2 लाख रुपए के लिए रो रहे हो, आप नहीं बन सकते मिलियनेयर बिलियनर. I don't want you to click on the link. You keep your 3 lakhs, you cannot come for my this. She did not take them after a certain time. She like, "You cannot come for my membership. You do not deserve to be a millionaire. Work on your mindset. Next time when I say 6 lakh, click on the link." And it can actually be 6 lakh then. If you love this, put love. So, it's very easy to say, "I want to be millionaire, I want to be billionaire, I want to be this, I want to be that." 3 लाख 4 लाख खुद पे खर्च नहीं होता और इतना कुछ चाहिए लाइफ में.
So, ma'am, Asha's story and Surabhi's story is really, really inspiring and amazing.
And this is why am I sharing this? Because every single mother, I've been doing this work for the last 9 years. Every single one of us have this resistance, money.
Yes.
I don't have the money. How can I invest this much in myself? I will keep this for my child. I will keep this for my husband. I will keep this in mutual. You keep it wherever you want to keep it. It's your money. We are all adults. But where you keep it will decide where you go. If this is a major bulb on, put MBO.
And we are lucky that we have a mentor like you who will support us.
Yeah, but even a mentor like me cannot support you till you don't support yourself. I will tell you. I will be very honest.
Yeah.
It is, you need a good mentor for sure. Without a good mentor, we cannot make progress, because I'm also sitting here because I had some fantastic mentors and I continue to have some amazing mentors. But we all have to take action.
Yes.
I can work very hard, and I actually work very hard. You can ask my husband. You can ask the super coaches because they interact very closely with me. You can ask my team. I literally eat, breathe, dream, sleep, repeat. My interaction with my own team is less than 10 minutes. There's this girl called Razia. She's been chasing me to do a 10-minute meeting with me. I'm like, "I'm so sorry, I'm with my moms. I'm so sorry, I'm with my moms. I'm recording." So I'm literally, I do that. But I know one thing. that no matter how amazing a mentor is, she cannot work harder than you can for your own life.
Yes.
So it's going to be a teamwork, it's going to be a team effort. And I know one
We
thing,
all have the energy and we want to just
yeah,
channelize the energy in a positive way.
correct. And one other thing, only taking action is not enough. Lot of people work very hard.
Yes.
Taking action in the right
The right
direction.
direction.
Yes.
This is something I want to share. I know a lot of people who work very hard. Even the laborers on the road work very hard. Your domestic
Yes.
help works very hard. Everybody works hard, but it's not just about working hard. Are your actions in the right direction? And that's where put your brain aside comes. Follow the system. Follow the path. Don't say ये मेरे लिए नहीं चलेगा. I'm not made for this. चलेगा नहीं, आपको चलाना पड़ेगा.
Yes.
You cannot say अवन मैं ऐसे नहीं घुमाऊंगी, मैं ऐसे ही घुमाऊंगी. I'm a lefty. I like to rotate the knob towards the left. No, if it is going to work right, you have to turn right. You cannot say, I prefer left, so I will turn it left. It's not about what you prefer, it's about what the system is. It might take you some time to understand the system. It might take you some time to overcome your resistances, but your intention should be to understand the system and to apply the system. And if you do it, I'm giving you a guarantee that every single one of you will be making a crore, more than a crore in a month. I'm not joking about every single one of you. In India, this thing has just started, coaching. And now with AI and all, it's going to go to another level. Every single mother in this room has the potential to make 1 crore. Now, even language is not a barrier. People are looking for regional. People want to learn in regional languages, Hindu, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada. So if your mother tongue, all of us can speak. Nobody has a
Yes.
problem in feeling confident in the mother tongue. Mother tongue is what people want. Punjabi, Dr. Aman is doing in Punjabi. So I just want all of you to take consistent action, and they are not made with some different blood and flesh, same blood and flesh as you. Same for me, same blood and flesh. So we can do it, you can do it, we all can do it. So let's all put in the chat box, I can do it. And I will do it with commitment, with my actions in the right direction. And I will act like a billionaire. I will not just want to be a billionaire, but I'll take actions like a billionaire. Awesome. So, Asha, be ready to be bombarded with questions after this call.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Awesome. So let's all put A for amazing for Asha, and let's put thank you for Asha for doing this and with her very super amazing, calm confidence. Love it. And you guys make me so proud. It is my dream that my students will make more money than me, and then I can just come and sit in your homes and chill. Like you can say, like Shravani will say, Riddhi, this month I just made 1 crore. I'll be like, Shravani, ठीक है, मैं आपके पास ही आके रुकती हूँ. I'll come and stay at your place. अब मुझे क्या जरूरत, जब मेरे students इतना कर रहे हैं, अब सबके पास information भी पहुँच रहा है. मेरा यही प्लान है, 20 साल मैं करूँ, उसके बाद आप लोग करो, फिर मुझे अपने अपने घर पे बुला लेना. I want to, yesterday only I was telling my husband, 3 months I want to go in one place and stay there. I don't want to go touch the place and come back. That hey, I went to London, touch kiya aa gaye. I want to go to London, stay there for 3 months. I want to go to Bangalore and stay there for 3 months. I'll take a house, stay there. But now with all of you, I think I don't need a house. I will come and stay in your house. But yeah, it's going to happen. I'm telling you, अभी ऐसे लग रहा है कैसे कैसे easily होगा सबके लिए. Just be in happy energy, have fun and serve. Don't take stress. Have fun, keep serving, keep taking action, and you will see how Goddess Lakshmi will keep coming. Ganesha will keep coming with prosperity. Saraswati will come. All the Devi Devtas, everybody will be sitting with you only, all the time. Right? Amazing. Thank you so
मैम
much.
मैम पिक्चर किसी ने
Oh,
मुझे
yes,
चैट
yes,
में
yes,
याद
yes.
दिलाया
Oh,
कि
yeah.
मैम टेक
Thank you.
पिक्चर.
Let me add you back.
थैंक यू
All
सो
right.
मच
Let's
जिसने भी
also put
मैसेज
A
किया
for
था.
amazing for Harpreet here. And let's take a nice picture. Yes, Asha. Yes, we'll take one with the gallery view.
Yes.
So proud of you. Now, before next month, I want all of you to start doing something so that next month I can spotlight you guys. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
yes, thank you. Love you and stay blessed.